So, UNESCO, being an international organization and standing in between and working as a link between countries and regions and different levels of engagement, serves as a catalyzer in facilitating the exchanges and also in sharing knowledge and sharing experiences. So this particular meeting where we are talking about the natural, collective and artificial intelligence, we are a lot discussing very advanced initiatives, very advanced projects. And I think at this point, UNESCO comes in facilitating transmission this knowledge, this experience to other countries, to other environments, and also to different contexts where not necessarily the same approach would apply, but the idea, the principle of the initiative is can be adapted. I think this is an excellent initiative as a way of identifying how we can engage with local communities, how we can use their experience, how we can combine the knowledge and the experience from for example, developed countries and cities which have made lots of progress in developing, for example, coastal protection and coastal shore resilience, and adapting it to the situations in countries where maybe this can be transformed in something very specific to the country or to the region.